You've obviously noticed the pattern that we learn the strategies and then we finish off with, let's do those strategies on worded problems. That's because worded problems are the useful ones, okay? Now that you've seen how trig ratios can be used to find unknown sides and angles, we can solve more realistic situations using these tools. So these are, what's up? These are my suggested steps to solve worded problems. Draw a diagram. I'm never afraid to draw a diagram because I'm a visual person, even though studies have shown that all that visual learner and sound learner and everything is actually BS. You just have to learn how to do the thing. I like to draw a diagram because I can point at things. So draw a diagram. I've only shown you how to find things with right-angled triangles, so you need to find the right-angled triangles in the situation. Mark the unknown side or angle you need. X for sides, theta for angles. Choose the appropriate tool. How many tools did I give you? Finding sides or finding angles? I gave you 2. And choose the ratio. Solve for the unknown and answer in sentence form. So can you please get those steps down, unless they actually kind of make logical sense. So if you feel like you don't need them, you don't need them. But after that, get the example down. Kirat's repairing his house roof after a storm. The roof's got a pitch of 16 degrees. Find the length of the horizontal beam needed to support the roof. A couple of minutes for that. If you're a bit ahead, is that a right angle triangle? Could we make some right angle triangles? Okay, good. Yeah, there we go. You with the curly hair that nodded vigorously. I will ask you how we make the right angle triangle, okay? When you're ready. You didn't nod as vigorously.
Is it recording?
Huh? Yeah. I haven't said any name. Is it offensive to you that I said someone had curly hair?
No. Just because we know that name.
Sorry? Is there anyone called Kirat in this class?
No.
Well, I'm sorted then, aren't I? Why? Is it a coincidence? Is there a bit of a coinkydink here?
His brother.
Is it?
So much brother knows.
He's going to cut that.
Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah. What, are you going to get upset if I call someone John?
No, we just thought it was like, is it on purpose? Like,
you just said the name.
We were like, is that on purpose?
Huh? I don't know, is it?
We were just a little confused.
No, I still have to.
It's not an insane.
No, I still have to mute.
It's not an insanely common name, is it?
Huh? What are you? In Australia, maybe.
In Australia, I mean.
Just cut out this entire conversation.
No, I like it. I like the. Curly haired boy, how do I construct the right angle triangles? Where would I start drawing something?
I'd cut it in half.
Yep. Oh, wait, vertically or horizontally?
Vertically.
In the?
Middle.
Okay, good. Because maybe one of your friends over in the other class might ask you to cut it in half like that or something, right? And that would not help you in any way whatsoever. So how many right angle triangles do I have right now? 2. It has a pitch of 16 degrees. Find the length of the horizontal beam needed to support the roof. I think I'm missing some information here. I need to look at my video from last year. Give me a second. Copy down what you need, please.
Oh, I need 2 3s.
I wasn't fully prepared. Damn. We need a number. We can't solve any of this without a number. Problem solving with Trig from 2025. I was wearing a camo hoodie. Oh, sorry, yeah, we're missing this information. You're supposed to know that's 9.4 meters. My bad. Can you add that to the diagram? Okay, let's try. Am I going to be able to find the length of the actual beam straight away? Is the whole beam part of a right angle triangle, or is half of the beam part of a right angle triangle? Half of the beam is. So you can label things whatever you want. Let's call the side X. So which of the SOHCAHTOA is going to apply for us to find X there? I have the adjacent and I have the hypotenuse. So cos 16 degrees is equal to adjacent X over hypotenuse 9.4. What's 9.4 doing to X? What's the opposite of dividing by 9.4? Multiply both sides by 9.4 times by 9.4. That's going to cancel out. So X is going to be whatever 9.4 cos 16 is. So I'm just going to double check that I'm in the right mode. Tan 45, 1. So I can go 9.4 times by cos 16. X is going to be 9.04 meters to 2 decimal points. Is that my answer? No, because that's only half the beam. So therefore, beam will be 18.08 meters in length. So if you want to TLDR, find the right angle triangles in the diagram. What's wrong? Are you okay? You're making a face.
No, I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine.
Find the right angle triangles in the situation. That's it. That's the trick. And then use SOHCAHTOA, and you're either finding sides or you're finding angles. Okay?